Ko Matawhauta te maunga, ko Rotoiti te moana, ko Ngāti Pikiao te iwi, ko Ngāti Tamatia tūtahi, Ngāti Kawati te hapu. He uri hoki tēnei no Ngāi Tahu, Ngāti Awa, te whanau a Apanui, Waka Toi, me tūwhari toa ki kawaru. For me, probably the first inspiration was when the Te Māori exhibition went back to Dunedin. That was my first glimpse of basically Māori art. From there, I basically just pursued that passion. I guess the evolution of the work that I do was really stepping back. So after I had formally graduated from Waiariki, I realised that the work that we were doing was an add-on or an extension of already what was a contemporary form. So I found that I had to sort of stop and actually go back and look at the old pieces, look at the old taonga and then study them, dissect them, reverse engineer them if you want to call it that, understanding about proportion, and then sort of developing it from there. And then what you're actually doing is you're not replicating. I found that I could push it as far as I could without losing identity. So I was quite thoughtful about making sure that when people looked at the work, they could identify it as Māori. Anywhere you go, basically you're looking, you're seeing what the carvings are on the whare, you're always looking. You look for inspiration everywhere. So my aspirations for the future are to basically see the next generation, to see that they come through and that they're successful. Just give them a really good environment to work in, and everybody excels at a different pace. We'll see some future carvers that do amazing stuff, for sure.